The Redmi Note 14 Pro is now official, having been teased throughout this week alongside the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus on Chinese social media. For context, the device straddles the middle of the Redmi Note 14 series between the Redmi Note 14 and Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. As such, the Redmi Note 14 Pro combines both elements from both devices, thanks to the following hardware. Additionally, the Redmi Note 14 Pro finds itself with a 50-megapixel primary camera, Sony LIT600, aided by optical image stabilization, OIS, plus 20-megapixel front-facing, OmniVision OV20B, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, Sony IMX355, and 2-megapixel macro cameras. Moreover, the device is IP69 certified with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, dual stereo speakers, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and an X-axis linear motor for improved haptics. On top of that, the Redmi Note 14 Pro weighs 190 grams and is 8.24mm spur, 8.46mm thick for its glass and vegan leather variants, respectively. Please note that the Redmi Note 14 Pro is only available in China for now, as are the Redmi Note 14 and Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. With that being said, the trio are expected to reach other markets like Europe and India starting later this year. For reference, Xiaomi is offering the smartphone Midnight Black, Mirror Porcelain White, Phantom Blue, and Twilight Purple color options within its home market at the following prices.